Welcome back to my channel. This is a space where we talk about the deep things shaping our generation, the things nobody wants to say out loud. And today's conversation is uncomfortable because we are not talking about idols made of stone. We are talking about digital idols, the gods of our generation, not statues, but phones, fame, validation, attention. My question today is, have we replaced worship with scrolling? In ancient times, idols were obvious. Golden calves, carved images, and sacred statues. People bowed physically. What about today? We bow differently. Our hands are constantly bent, not in prayer, but in submission to screens. Our phones have become the pocket shrines. Our phones are no longer tools. They are emotional lifelines. We wake up and check before we speak to God. We sleep holding them like comfort blankets. We don't just use them. We depend on them for identity, for mood, for worth, and for direction. If something controls your peace, it has become your master. Another point that I have, fame has become the new salvation. This generation does not dream of purpose. It dreams of visibility, to be seen, to trend, and to go viral. Influence has quietly replaced character. We now believe being known is being valuable. But visibility is not the same as significance. And fame is a terrible god, small g, because it demands constant sacrifice. Validation is the new approval. Likes have become emotional oxygen. Comments have become self-worth. And followers have become status. We no longer ask, what does God think? But we ask, what will people say? And slowly, our decisions are no longer guided by conviction, but by applause. Last but not least, attention is the ultimate currency. Attention is now power. Whoever holds attention controls culture. And many are no longer living to be meaningful. They are living to be noticed. Because invisibility now feels like failure. Silence feels like rejection. And obscurity feels like death. So we perform not to express truth, but to maintain relevance. Guys, the real danger of digital idols is this. They don't look evil, they look normal. They look necessary. They even look harmless. But anything that takes your focus, your devotion, your identity, and your emotional dependence has quietly taken the place of God. Idolatry has not disappeared. It has evolved. As I conclude, guys, this generation is not bowing before statues. We are bowing before algorithms, public opinion, online approval, digital relevance, and the tragedy is many don't even realize they are worshipping because the altar fits in their hearts. Guys, if this message has challenged you, then maybe it's time to ask, who or what truly holds your devotion? Is it purpose or is it performance? If you are new here, this channel exists to awaken minds and strengthen faith in a world full of subtle distractions. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.